So leyo nto leyo ukuthi uSomizi angidistribute kanje iyana abaleke ngivision ama-bodyguard akhe ayabani. Mina was not rushing to him as a result of ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuzomkhothamela, but I was showing the remorse of being professional. So yes, kuyena naye njengomuntu osebenza kwa-SABC futhi osekwi-industry Scarlet City, I expected the response of professionalism, because today as we speak uRamaphosa eSwazini kwi-40 years ceremony of King Mswati on a throne. Sibona uRamaphosa, sabona uPresident wamazwe omhlaba, sabona former President Jacob Zuma, sabona Ramaphosa, all of them sharing jokes. If you know Ramaphosa and Zuma, they are enemies, and then serious enemies, but they behaved professionally. Can you imagine if they meet in Swaziland and then they grab each other's nose and fight? Now in South Africa today. So professionalism is important. I'm teaching you, you are the future, and I'm teaching you everyone. Professionalism, stop being angry and stop behaving submissive and be professional. Ramaphosa and Jacob Zuma, they were together today and celebrating the 40th throne of King Mswati, also the 58th birthday. But they share the moment of history and enjoyment of together. But they are so how can it prohibit you, motherfucker, just to be professional? You see me now, you'll never see me again. I thank you.
Hi guys, Ungis. This one said, but he's making sense though. Ngiyamuzwa nami shame ukuthi uthini. Yeah. Lol, when it suits him. Ungizwe mina guys, ngifuna uqala uyangihlekisa. Like uyangihlekisa. Why did he say this? Imagine if they grabbed each other's nose. I'm finished. Hey, now I don't know why he said that. Hey, shame. Utilo, he's bored. Hey, says this guy carries Zulu Nation mentality. Haibu. He's very hurt, shame, and Yambona shame. He's not okay. He's not. He's going through a lot. Ish. When he said motherfucker, he let it all out. Hey, Ungize, guys. The interviewer was holding that louder back. Yay, yay, yay. You can tell Ogut he wanted to laugh so bad. But they don't call each other Mgodoyi like you did to Usomizi when a stupid. The English is not adding up. Professional remorse? He's crazy. He insulted him, now he wants to be professional. Uyahlanya Ungizwe. Uhambe delela abantu ngoba efuna ukuthi uma sekuyena ofuna kuxoxwe abantu bengaphiniseli. Uyahlanya lo. Unlike the stomach, brain doesn't give you a sign when it is empty. Unamango mchunu, ubefuna uke enjoya izibiliboco notshwala kuleliya tende. Awu. Ow. See me now, you'll never see me again. He doesn't even want to see you. He was clear with it and you're mad. Bye. He should have simply used isiZulu sakhe. Mhlambe ubezozwakala kangcono ngoba le English is not Englishing at all. Ngizwe kodwa ungangilaleli. That's Ngizwe for you. Is this a pan? Is this a pan, guys? I mean a pan? What am I saying? A pan, guys? I think so. Our country is beautiful. Ngizwe is that one person. Mina guys angazi ukuthi why but nje angisoze nje ngathi ngiyamzonda ungizwe like mina nje uyangihlekisa shem angithathi serious. Straight people are so obsessed with gay people. Hayi ke sana, hayi sonke, hayi bonke. Mina angekho sure noma ngi-straight noma cha. Sengisho laba straight, hayi bonke. This guy is so obsessed with Somizi. Eish, asazi. Somizi hurts him, shame. Yeah, bandla. Akekho right. Anyway, that's it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please share your thoughts under the comments and I'll see you on my next one.